In this video, I will show you how to install Google Authenticator app on Android phone. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your Play Store. The next thing you want to do is to click on search. Proceed to search app and game. Then go ahead and type in Authenticator. Then go ahead and hit on search. Then go ahead and click on Google Authenticator. So here you go. What you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and install Google Authenticator. Go ahead and click on it. After successful installation, click on Open. Stronger security with Google Authenticator. Click on Get Started. Select your Google account to continue. Then here you go. At this point here, you can start to add code into your Google Authenticator app. For you to add any code to your Google Authenticator app, click on this plus sign right here. Go ahead and click on enter a setup key. At this point here, enter the setup name, the key, and the timestamp and click on add. It's going to be added to your Google Authenticator security protection for that particular app or website. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Google Authenticator on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.